Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring you 3 charts that you might want to review for upcoming swing trades. Now, a couple of these companies will have earnings on the horizon, so I encourage going out and buying call options in the series that involves earnings, and then if we can get direction right, well, then you can also have the implied volatility move in your favor, and then you exit that position before the earnings actually come out. So one of these that I'm considering that idea in is Target. You can see the idea that you've got a compression pattern right in here. The trend that led us here is a nice bullish move. Then you compress and digest that. And I think that it could be good for a move up into 130. And I'd be buying that down into 118 to try and see if the idea would come through for me. Another that has I think a very attractive pattern is Skyworks, SWKS. Just the same basic idea, and you can see that there's not a lot of fancy analysis on these charts, just good patterns and good compression after a very bullish trend that has led us here. So I'm going to be looking to buy this one in the same way. Now earnings are due up in the next week on this one, so you don't have quite as long to try the trade, but it should be good for a little 2 or 3 day move, and then maybe trying to be bullish on it through the earnings report as well. And then the last one I wanted to bring to you was Lulu. They all look kind of strikingly similar, right? And that's by intention, but it's just the same plan right here, where you can see this little bit of a descending trend line that creates this compression pattern. And if we can get up and through that, then this actually does have some room to run. So those are 3 that I'm going to be looking at for playing bullish moves into their earnings report. And I hope it gives you some equity picks to look at as you get into your trading next week. Y'all have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.